didn't come off.
Mason,
Yeah.
what kind of unit you got here?
Here, 1970 Impala.
Impala.
Impala. We got the lights on for cool effect.
Cool effect. All right.
Hope you guys liked that drive around we just did.
Yeah.
It was fun until it wasn't.
What happened there?
Well, I mean, it was fun. It just, she died.
She was just like, all right, gotta take a nap. So
It wasn't like a sputter. It was like, like it just shut off, like somebody turned the key off. So
fun.
we just checked power because we kind of weren't done doing the filling, and the distributor or the coil or ignition module went out. So
She went.
one of the two.
So
We're satisfied.
show us the good stuff. Show us the good part.
What's the good part?
Okay, well, just show. Let's just talk about everything. What's under the hood? What do we got under the hood there?
Well, we got the security.
Somebody lived in the hood. Not in. Wait. Somebody lived in the not so great area.
Somebody.
They didn't want their engine stolen.
Somebody's definitely had their MSD distributor taken at some point, so they installed these bad boys. So let's pop said hood. Right. We've got a 350
With an
with an Edelbrock
intake.
What intake is this? I forgot.
It's the made in the USA one.
It's not the RPM, but it's the street one.
Oh, okay. And
I don't know.
carb is what?
Carb is a
What CFM?
Edelbrock. It is a. God, it's been so long.
Wait.
It's a. Wait. It's a 1405.
1405.
Yeah.
So we should actually probably give some context real quick.
Mm-hmm.
You bought this
In May. Mm-hmm.
And we've been the entire time there hasn't been videos. It's Mason been getting it to this point, so we can show you all of the shit that he's done.
Yes. Also, point out, you guys might have noticed, no fender. It is over there.
Oh yeah.
Or inner fender. I took it out to get the blower motor out to see, if I could get some heat because it's getting cold. But it's full of mouse nests. So.
Yeah.
Motorcycle.
Motorcycle. That thing's beefy.
I told him to do that.
Yeah, we Bluetooth. So okay.
So other than that,
The exterior.
Oh,
the wheels.
Yeah, the wheels. That's another big. These are the nicest thing on the car. The factory rally rims.
That's what they're. Is that
nice,
that's the name?
No,
The rally wheels.
rally wheels. You got the Chevy. Oh, it's even right up the Chevrolet motor division.
Oh, that looks mint.
The bat.
And you got your fucking white lettering.
Got the
I need
white
to.
lettering tires.
Man, we haven't done YouTube in a while. I'm cussing like a sailor.
Yeah.
Like
6 months since they've had this car.
Yeah, we got the white lettering. Cooper Cobras.
Cobras. These were the ones we had on before. Well, the back tires.
They were Mondo.
Like they're big. Like
They're-
here's my
There's your hand for scale.
Yeah.
So they're huge.
They're huge.
And as you can see, they were rubbing a lot.
Rubbing.
Oh, this side's not bad.
We'll show you why.
This side's rubbing really bad, but
yeah. Anywho.
Any hooser.
I guess
we'll
all over the place here. Things I've done, you'll see in the videos. New master cylinder, new intake, new carb. Gonna be new distributor next. And really just trial and error. First time ever doing this.
Getting it to drivability so we can do this video.
Yeah.
So we can then go back and catch you guys up.
Yeah. Oh, let's get a butt shot.
A butt shot.
We got marker lights.
Marker lights. I don't know.
The glowing lights.
I don't know. How do you feel about your license plate?
I we already saw it.
Oh.
Well, now you're doing it.
I mean, look at this booty on this thing.
She's nice.
Not only is she fat, but she looks mint. Oh, I wasn't going to point it out. So, what happened to the exterior on this thing? You kind of know the story, right?
I don't really know what happened to the... Oh, yeah, I do. So, the guy who bought it was from Seattle, I think, or it was either Seattle or California. He either came from California to Seattle, but I'm pretty sure he lived in Seattle. He bought this new, and then lived there for a while, moved over to here, Moses Lake area, and then sold it to a guy, I assume, because it has about 127,000 miles, it says. Or it says 27.
27,000.
It's either 200 or 100.
Yeah.
But I assume it rotted out. And they repainted it to this brown color that you see here. This brown. This is the gold. This is the original color. That gold there. He repainted it. I don't know if he had it when he repainted it or the other guy did. And then it either rotted out again. No idea on this part. The guy stripped it down to how it is now. Paint it.
Sorry.
If that worked for race.
Challenger driving by.
And he stripped it down to how it is now. Didn't paint it.
And it sat for like a year, right?
Sat for 4 years like this.
Oh wow, I thought it was only a year.
It sat for 4 years at the guy in Othello's house.
Oh.
Like this. And I think he said it might have sat a couple other years. All together it's been about 10 years.
Jeez.
It sat since
I'm learning. I've been around this car since May.
So she's been like this for a while, supposedly. So I got my work cut out for me.
So, well, I would say the biggest ding on the whole exterior is, you're going to be mad at me for even pointing it out, is the valence. But otherwise, it's pretty solid.
It is really solid. No rust under.
Underneath.
Under in a second. Like my Suburban has more rust underneath of it.
And she's galvanized.
It doesn't, but it's not like rotting. It's just like the regular old car rust.
Yeah. Surface rust.
The interior, another story. That's a little rough.
So this car, when Mason first got it, I was over here trying to help him start it. This might look familiar if you're from rat climate.
Rat climate.
We were out here. I guess I'll just show. Mason got a new steering wheel as well.
Yep, that's the one thing I've done.
To the interior. All the gauges work, and you can see, it's kind of hard to tell from the video, but they're the badass gauges.
Yep.
But when Mason and I were first trying to get it started, a mouse came and peeked at us in one of these vents. Yep. So as you can tell, there's been a mouse living in this at one point. But
yes, definitely.
Yeah. Windows move up and down.
Door locks work, and they close really good. Watch. Ready? No.
If you've ever seen a 70s vehicle that hasn't had the doors completely replaced, that's fucking weird. That's like rare. Oh, I should show. We gotta show the.
Show the dash pad. That's an important thing.
Dash pad isn't completely cracked and rotted out.
Perfect. It still has stretchy.
It looks amazing. But this is my favorite part of the entire car. The Impala that is still there looks amazing. These door cards are somehow, like, they have little nicks in them here and there, but they still look pretty freaking good.
And then the steering wheel, if you guys didn't notice, there's
I'll go to the other side.
Gear on the steering wheel, but I do have the original one. have to drill holes. Because that came from OER, and I have to drill holes in it and put it on there. I just haven't done that yet. Because there's no point.
Yeah.
So.
Especially if it is going to come on and off or whatever.
This window is here. It is just down here.
It fell down and doesn't crank back up.
Nope. The crank works. You can hear it and it stops, but the window just is like, nah.
Window did the old rail delete or whatever it's called.
I'll put the lights up there. But she's pretty much road ready though. Does the wiper work? Alright, you guys ready?
Oh, I gotta get up here.
That's on low, right? Oh, we'll just go ahead and put it on high.
And as you can see, they only go down to this part, right?
Yep.
And then when you shut them off, they go shove them down.
Very, very crazy. So,
Yeah.
that.
I'm trying to think of what else.
That's where there really wasn't much that, because it's the small stuff. Like, I didn't fix those or anything. It's just been
But like,
getting the stupid thing ready.
like I remember when the distributor was being rewired back there.
Nope.
It was like, that was like a 10-minute, 5-minute job or whatever on camera. So it was like, we're probably going to shove a bunch of the fixing into a couple of videos.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why this thing is why ATD hasn't been around that much.
But she's got the air conditioning set up. She's got air conditioning. So,
Oh, I forgot about that. The, what's it called? The condenser is over here.
Yep.
And
The little thingy is here, and then this whole thingy is here, and yeah.
the everything but the pump is there, I think.
Yep, everything but the compressor.
Yeah. So you can blow hot, or you can blow cold.
Blow cold. It's cold right now.
Yeah, factory,
Really cold.
factory.
Factory air.
Yeah.
So, things that we're gonna do that are gonna be coming up now that we're kind of getting the videos cut up. Tearing apart the interior, redoing that. I'm gonna be turning it black, unless that changes. But the current plan is black, because I'm gonna paint it blue. Maybe I'll put a picture up of the blue car I'm basing it off of. And then, yeah, just kind of
nip.
interior looks fun. And then when I take the car into a body shop to get the Bondo fixed and some of there's a rust spot at the quarter panel over there. The current plan is to pull the engine and the transmission out, and then I'll rebuild the engine. It doesn't smoke or anything, but I want to rebuild it just to rebuild it.
And it was supposedly it's performance.
Right.
But we don't know any of the parts in there, or you don't know, I should say. It's not my car.
Don't know.
Don't know
You
any of
said
the parts.
You said it was rebuilt, so I mean, if I start taking it apart and everything looks like perfect in there, then I'll just be like.
And it doesn't make very much vacuum at idle, so you think there's a cam or something.
Well, today it was fine. That was just timing and shitty carburetor at the time.
Oh, okay.
But now it was staying pretty steady.
Oh, you were running the old Q-Jet before, right?
Q-Jet.
So, yeah.
Little quad to jump, as people say. But I tried to use it as long as possible just because everybody hated them and I wanted to give it a shot. I mean, it worked, but I don't know.
Yeah?
So, yeah.
Is there any other words?
Let me show you guys underneath real quick.
Oh, yeah, I forgot.
Take the camera. I got my phone. It's going to be a little DAC. Ooh, and I know another good one. Oh, let's go under here. Ooh, dropped a spark plug. There is underneath. Where's the floor pan? There it is. There's the floor pan. Look at that. It's black still. That is black still. It's got the paint. It's really hard to see it because it's dark, but she's good. What are you going to do when I get back up?
Huh?
You planning on something?
No, we're just laughing. We're just standing here. You could record this. We're just standing here and I just went.
She's got air suspension. That's another thing.
Oh, I forgot about the air suspension.
I did lose a plug. So right here, we've got the falling over. She's got the nubbin, and then we can go under here again. Close up on the license plate. There's the air shocks, right there.
I mean, look at. We should I don't know.
It's pretty
if
good under here.
Do we have a side by side of those tires on camera?
Side by side.
Show the tires right now. Like the width of the tires on the back right now.
Oh yeah.
Well, you was underneath. You were underneath. So.
Oh.
Like the width of these tires. These are wide tires. Already.
Mm-hmm.
And those other ones look they make them look like they're off a Civic.
Yeah.
The other tires, they're huge. That's why we were talking about they rub, because these inner fenders are
You
like.
can see where they trimmed them. Right here where they trimmed it.
Put
Yeah,
your
it's supposed to
light
be
under there.
It's supposed to be like this. This thick all the
They-
way around. And it tapers off and stops.
They cut them,
And they cut them.
and it was still rubbing. That's how big those tires were.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
I
there's
just-
a big Bondo spot there. That's a rough spot right there.
Oh, gotta love that.
Gotta love it.
Well, that's why body shops know what they're doing.
Yup.
So yeah.
Well.
Any other words? I guess all we can say is you guys are going to be getting a lot of videos
Yep.
here soon.
Joey's got something in the pipeline as well.
We got a lot of stuff coming in, especially we're going to start, I think work is going to slow down, unless Mason says otherwise. But we'll have a little bit more time, and we have projects that we've both been working on projects. We just haven't we've been trying to get to the point where they're actually camera worthy, so.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know what else to say, but
Let's give it a crank.
give it a
Let's just
crank.
Let's just see.
See if she just decides to recoil.
We'll put you in the front so you can hear it. Oh, yeah, another thing is they took all the badges for it.
Oh.
They took all the badges, so I
Oh
don't
yeah,
have
there's
the
supposed
Impala
to be the
badge.
Impala badge here. There's a Chevy badge on the back, but
Yeah,
it's...
that's the only one that left. But my mom got me the 350 badges for my birthday. So I got the
Ooh.
Fender badges.
Fancy.
All right, we'll do a quick crank. I doubt. Don't get your hopes up.
But it has also no exhaust other than
Nope.
headers, so yeah, that's cool.
That's the Impala.
That's the Impala. So watch out for more videos, and yeah.
Yeah.
See you next time.
See you next time. Peace.